What's up, guys? So it's rainy Hawaii. Today it's been raining for a couple of days now. I work in the IT department. We handle the internet connections. So we did some troubleshooting on the UPS battery. So UPS battery is like it's like a big battery that can power up multiple devices. So when there's a power outage, the internet stays on for like another 30 to 45 minutes until it is fixed. 20 minutes ago, like one of these devices exploded. So like me and my friend, my buddy here, we are kind of like afraid to do some troubleshooting. Every time we go troubleshoot some UPS, we like try to scare each other. Yeah. So we're like really afraid to plug it in.
No, there's no light.
Maybe longer than that. It was Jamie's key.
No, I don't think you would put it.
So this is my favorite one. Oh. Yeah, so we get easily scared now.
I'm gonna get like a longer stick. Longer than that.
This is how we have a great time in our job.
Bro, ready.
So the other device, the top UPS, is working fine. So we move on to the bottom one. Yeah. So right now, like I'm really scared to plug this in.
Nothing yet. Ho! It's on.
Yeah. So normally it's on, it's okay, but when we do the power test, and that's when it explodes.
No, but it's already light on.
So it's working.
We need to put the
test.
Grab the stick. Yeah, grab the stick and then I will unplug that if anything happens. I'm gonna grab the stick. No, but it's on already. It's just that it gotta work like.
Well, we're gonna do the test.
Want me to press it?
Yeah, I will unplug it. Maybe it exploded. Okay, let's do it again. We know for sure that it's gonna happen, but we still get scared though.
Dude, I have an idea. See? I put this like this.
So he grabbed a stick and then he put the pen at the end of the stick.
And press it.
That thing exploded. Oh, that's good. That's good. If that thing explodes. Oh, that's good. That's good. Well, that's not really what happened. So rewind. It's not like a big explosion, but it's still scary. So my friend quit the job and then he started working somewhere else. And this is what he do now. So we have a new hire. Our new worker.
그렇지.
I'm just kidding. He still work with us. He's probably gonna kill me when he see this video, so don't worry about it. This is how we have a great time in our job. I have like a really cool job. I have like the coolest job. I have like the best job ever.